Most people think health problems start suddenly, but the truth is, they grow silently, from habits you repeat every single day without noticing. You might be eating normal food. You might think your routine is fine. But these small habits are slowly draining your energy, damaging your digestion, and aging your body faster than you realize. Let's talk about the habits almost everyone is doing wrong. First, skipping water in the morning. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. Your blood becomes thicker, digestion slows down, and your brain works on low power. Starting your day with tea or coffee instead of water forces your body to work harder when it's already tired. 1 or 2 glasses of plain water in the morning can improve digestion, skin, focus, and bowel movement within days. Second, eating fast. Not eating wrong, eating fast. Most people don't chew their food properly. Digestion doesn't start in the stomach, it starts in the mouth. When you swallow food quickly, your stomach struggles. Gas forms, acidity increases, and nutrients are wasted. Eating slowly can reduce bloating, improve gut health, and even help with weight control without changing your diet. Third, sitting immediately after meals. This habit looks harmless but affects digestion badly. Sitting or lying down after eating pushes acid upward, causing reflux and heaviness. A slow 5 to 10 minute walk after meals improves digestion, controls sugar spikes, and reduces fat storage. Now listen carefully to this one. Most people ignore it. Fourth, eating healthy food at the wrong time. Yes, timing matters. Eating fruits right after meals causes fermentation and gas. Eating heavy dinners late at night keeps your digestive system active when your body wants rest. Even healthy food can become unhealthy if eaten at the wrong time. Fifth, constant snacking without real hunger. Your body needs breaks between meals to repair digestion. When you eat again and again out of boredom, stress, or habit, insulin stays high and fat storage increases. True hunger comes from the stomach, not the mind. Sixth, shallow breathing all day. Stress changes how you breathe. Short, fast breaths signal danger to your brain, increasing cortisol. This affects digestion, sleep, and even hormone balance. Slow, deep breathing for just 2 to 3 minutes can reset your nervous system. And finally, ignoring sleep quality. It's not just about sleeping long, it's about sleeping deep. Late night screens, heavy meals, and stress block recovery hormones. Poor sleep increases cravings, weakens immunity, and slows healing. Here's the truth. Most people don't want to hear. You don't need extreme diets or expensive supplements. You need small, daily corrections. Fix these habits for 30 days and your energy, digestion, skin, and focus will change more than you expect. If this video helped you understand your body better, stay connected, because the next one might save you years of health problems.